In the hole, Dustin Beehiller, digging deep. John Humpy, ladies and gentlemen, would like to thank the Bill Performance, Larry Dave and Whitney Waterman for being a sponsor on his Chevy. Here tonight with the whole family. Mom, John Sr., his mother, Brenda, the rest of his crew. Come on, we have any Chevy fans in town tonight? Here's one to root for. John Humpy at the wheel. It's called Troublemaker. Sharp looking truck. About our roller tractors, our scraper tractor, those volunteers working so hard with Case Internationals by Burkhart Farm Center. We have 2 rollers, 2 scrapers and rollers donated by Mike Larrabee and family. And I tell you what, this crew is doing a great job taking care of the Mack trailer pulling track on both ends. Our next competitor coming up, he's a rookie in his first year pulling with the Ohio State Tractor Pullers. He's only 20 years old, out of Fostoria, Ohio, Nick Gillette. He is a